Hi, I'm Beck and Food's My Life. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the perfect tempura batter to make some delicious deep fried snacks. And it's coming right up. So let's face it, any food that's deep fried is delicious. And okay, it may not be that healthy for us, but if we're not eating it every day, then it's fine. The tempura batter that I'm making today is quick and easy to prepare, it's gluten-free, and you can use it with literally anything you want to. So if you're a vegetarian, tempura batter works brilliantly with some deep fried vegetables like maybe beans or snow peas or onion rings. Perfect with a couple of beers when you've got friends around. But today I'm going to make some tempura prawns. Now here I have a kilogram of beautiful green prawns. Now I've cleaned them and I've deveined them, but I have kept their tails intact because they do work out to be a convenient little handle when we dunk them in that beautiful batter. So in my bowl I have some rice flour, and to this I'm going to add some flavors, which is what makes this tempura batter so yummy. So I have here some salt, some chicken stock powder, a little bit of garlic powder and some onion powder. So throw these in and whisk these all together. Now usually I would also at this stage add 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper because I like a bit of a chili kick, but the person I'm making this for tonight doesn't like the heat, so I thought I'd better be thoughtful and leave it out. And now the key ingredient to this tempura batter is some beer. Today I'm using a pale ale. It's up to you, I guess you can use any beer that you prefer, but I'm going to add some of this, and that's going to make this tempura batter really nice and light. So in it goes, and give this all a really good mix. Once you've thoroughly stirred this through, we're going to let this sit on the bench top for about 10 minutes. So in my little saucepan here, I have melted down a couple of blocks of super fry or lard. And I like to use animal fat when I deep fry because I believe it adds to the flavor of whatever you're cooking. So that's really hot now and I'm ready to fry. Over here, I'm just going to give my batter a little bit of a stir just to make sure those ingredients have come together again in case they've separated slightly. Now, here comes the fun bit. You take your prawns or your chicken strips or your veggies, whatever you want to deep fry, and you dunk them in your batter and shake off any excess butter. And we're just gonna deep fry these little babies till they're golden brown. Here we go. Listen to this. So keep an eye on them because they're not going to take long to cook, especially if you're doing prawns. Look at that. Look at that. That's it. That's all you need to do. It doesn't have to be too dark. And of course, that prawn meat I know is already cooked. That is just perfect. So we're just going to repeat the process now. That's how easy it is. Well, this has turned out quite nicely for me, hasn't it? Some beautiful tempura prawns that I have to taste test, and of course I'd hate to waste that lovely nice cold beer. Let's give it a go. Wow. That batter is so beautiful and light, with just enough of those extra flavors that I added, and that ale flavor is really coming through. What a great balance, and those prawns have been cooked just perfectly. They're still a little bit juicy, but a little crunchy as well. Perfect. Perfect match. If you've got friends coming over, why don't you make some tempura prawns, veggies, whatever you like, and throw it down with a nice cold beer. Now, if you want to make this for yourself, just head to my website. Check out the description box below where you'll find a link to my website, and from there you can grab the recipe. Click on the button and you will grab a downloadable, printable version of the recipe just like this. So if you've liked this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, or better still, click on that subscribe button, people. That way you'll always know what I'm up to when I'm in the kitchen, and I'll see you next time.